Ooh, first of all, I can smell it. I haven't even taken it out of the box. What's going on, YouTube? It is your girl, Lauren Finesse, and I am back with a special video. This is actually going to be an unboxing of a candle line that is now out of Houston. So quick background, this is actually my friend Tay. This is her candle line. And she used to have a store here in Chicago, and then she moved to Texas. She moved to Houston, and she did a whole revamp on her company, the name, the logo, everything. She did a complete revamp. So if you guys are in Texas, you can holler at her. I'll give all the information shortly. Also, when she was in Chicago, her store, these candles, oh my gosh, you guys, I absolutely love all of her candles. And they have like funny names like Get Naked and what was the other one? Other one was like Sex in the Rain or something. Like they all have like these really cute names or whatever. And not only are they candles, this is the best part. This is the best part of the entire thing. Not only are they candles, but they're like an oil, like a body oil. So you can light the candles, and you know when that candle wax starts to melt, you can actually dip your hand in there and rub it on your skin. These are like oil. I don't want to say the wrong thing, but I think it's like soy or something, but it's oil where it's not wax. So when the candles are burning, not only do they smell good, but you can dip your finger in there and like hit this here, which I've done before, like just to match with my perfume. So I really love that. I've never seen candles that turn into body oils. I've never seen that. So yeah, let's get started on this unboxing. So firstly, the name of her company, and I want to make sure I don't show my address or anything. The name of the company is the Unapologetic Collection. And like I said, I won't say her old company name because I think she like started over, but this is her new company. My girl did the thing, like, okay, she didn't just send the candle, like she got the box, she got the marketing. So we can all take a note from that, right? If you have a business, market your business in every aspect. Do the boxes, do the bags, I got keychains and coasters and cups, and you got to do the whole shebang. So let me go ahead and firstly try to get this box open. Now, if I remember correctly, and this is a live unboxing, if I remember correctly, I think I ordered a candle, the wax melts that you can put inside like your candle holder, the candle, you put the wax melts in and the liquid goes in the air like a candle. And something else, I'm not sure. Shipping was really quick. I think I ordered this like 2 weeks ago. Yes, I did. I ordered this 2 weeks ago and it came the other day. I just haven't had an opportunity to open it. So when you open the box, this is what you're gonna get. She has packed a nice thing. And this is what I'm talking about, the marketing. She has packed a nice thank you postcard with the company name, the company logo, and then how you can get in touch with her. So I'm going to put all of this information in the description box. And then also she has provided a thank you code. So I'm going to give you guys this code to use on your purchase. Hopefully it works. I didn't talk to her. I'm gonna put the code down here, and if it works, you'll get 10% off. If not, support the company, okay? Support businesses, support women, support Black businesses, like support the people, okay? Support the people. All right, so I get of course, my invoice of what I ordered. So let's see what I ordered before I open it. So I ordered the wax melts, 2 sets of wax melts, and the candle Do Not Disturb. That's the name of the candle. So let me, oh my gosh, and she put matches in there. Tay, this marketing, marketing and branding on point. And you know we love good marketing and branding. We have a flashlight. Okay, that's really, 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 really bright. But again, it has right? Her company name on it. We love that. And now let's get into these candles, y'all. Okay. It's wrapped in here nice and, wrapped in here nice and good. Ooh, first of all, I can smell it. I haven't even taken it out of the box and I can smell it. So the name of this candle is actually Do Not Disturb. And the scent to it, okay, so this is what I like. You can get the different candles and the different melts, and you can get like the title, what you want it to say. There's several, like the Do Not Disturb or leave me, I forget all of them, but there's like a bunch of different like sayings, and you can match whatever you want the candle to say with the fragrance you want. So don't just think because like my candle is Do Not Disturb and the fragrance is Peaches and Cream, which is what I ordered. But you can get the same Do Not Disturb candle in a different scent. So I really like the versatility of that. That's really smart. The candle has 2 wicks on it. I really like that. And it just, okay, it smells really good. I just want to quickly test the candle to see if this is like her other candles, which had, like I said, you could, they not only were candles, but then you could put the wax on you as like body oil. Ooh. So I'm going to go ahead and let that marinate while we look at what else is in the box. So as I stated, I did do 2 wax melts. And again, this goes in, like if you have like a little ceramic holder, you know, you put, for me, I have these ceramic holders with the hole here. And you put like a little mini candle, like those little ones that people like decorate, you know, around beds and their tub. I put one of them in there and I put the wax melt on top and it melts. And actually prefer the wax melts over candles sometimes, like in my house, because I have several of those ceramic ones. So I'll put like 2 in my kitchen, 1 in the living room, 1 in my bedroom, 1 in the bathroom. I'll put 1 in the laundry room. Like I just put them all around my house, and then when I need to, I just kind of drop them at the wax melts in them. So okay, so I have 3 different ones. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I have the Peaches and Cream melts. And look at this, y'all. They have like glitter. And so I'm thinking for sure you can put these on your body and they have the glitter in them. Oh, I love that. I also have Cocoa Butter Kisses. And again, it has the glitter in it. I want to smell this. Let's smell it. Oh, you know what this smells like? So it's cocoa butter, right? But it's not cocoa butter. It's like cocoa butter with like a perfume tint to it. Oh, it smells so fresh. It's like cocoa butter, like, I can't think of it, but it's like a cocoa butter. It's very fresh. It's almost like cocoa butter linen. You know how the linen fragrance smells and stuff? It's almost like cocoa butter linen because it's so fresh smelling. And then my last one is Eucalyptus Experiment. Ooh. And this one has actually the red glitter. I smell this, brah. Come on, brah. I already know this will smell. I just know it smells good. I can't even. Ooh. Y'all. Oh, I wish I had smell-o-vision. Here, smell it. Get into that. Y'all, again, it smells so fresh. It smells like, I can definitely smell the mint, but it's also giving me just like almost, it's not lavender, but it's giving me like that relax. You know how lavender is supposed to be like a calming scent? It's making me calm. Ugh, I actually need this, guys. Ooh, I just took back my heart monitor today. You know, if you guys don't know, I was in the hospital and So I need all of the candles and the woosah and the fragrances that I need to keep me just like centered and calm. So I am definitely going to, I got to get some more bath bombs. But I am definitely going to make myself a date in my jacuzzi tub and light these wax melts and really like get into it. All right, so our candle has melted down enough. So let me get some of the oil so you guys can see, okay? Oh, it's the oil. Guys, look at that. Oh my gosh, I love this. Ladies, let me tell you something. I'm not just saying this because she's my girl. This is like quality candles, quality products, quality marketing and branding. Y'all, I don't know if y'all missed it, but let me put one more. It's not wax. And I love that. Look at this, guys. It's an oil. So when the candle melts, you then put this on your body. Guys, look at this. Can y'all see that? Like, oh. And then you go outside and then they're like, oh, you smell like peaches and cream. Oh, you smell like cocoa butter. Oh, man. All right, so let me tell y'all something. 1 to 10, and I love candles, but I really love her candles. These are a 10, you guys. Not only is it a candle. Hold on. Not only, let me put that on there. There we go. Not only is it a candle, but it's also a body oil. It's also will relax you. I love it. So shout out to Tay. I'm going to put all of her information below in the description bar. And you guys need to go ahead and get you some candles. Like I said, I'm going to share the thank you code if it doesn't work, because I'm not sure if it was sent to me and or if it can be used multiple times. So I'm gonna put the code in here. It's for 10% off. It's thank you 10. Thank you, the letter U and the number 10. I'm gonna put this in the description box. But if you go on the site and this code doesn't work, it doesn't matter. Still order you some candles and then you will receive a card with your own discount code. So yeah, definitely 1 to 10. It's a 10. And shout out to my girl Tay and the Unapologetic Collection. Very nice. All right, guys. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please let me know. Put in the description box, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, bye-bye, guys.